Okay, hey, I'm Sriram Govindan, and today I'm going to give you my entire demo of my Starbucks project. Okay, cool. We'll start with the setup steps. Okay, first I'm going to go to show you that my Kong API gateway endpoint's working, and I have to demo this with curl. Let's start with that. So my Postman. Here, over here we have a ping test. Right, you can see the API key it's using, the value, the ping API, and then that's my specific URL connecting to the internet, not on localhost. Let's ping it. Cool. We got Starbucks API version 3.1 alive. All right. Now I should show you I should show you the launch manifest of my Starbucks cash register. Confirm that it's connected to Kong. All right, let's do that. Go here, go here. Okay. Where am I right now? A second. Okay, let me see into my Kubernetes client. Okay. Yeah, cool. Here you can see that's connected to my Kong. It's not just connected to some localhost nonsense. And you can see that it's using the API key. Cool. All right. Now I need to show you to start up my website, show you the cash register, and show you that's ported to Spring MVC. All right, let's do that in a way that you know that I did it through GKE. So if I go to my services at Ingress, then I go to Ingress. See that I have this URL and this URL, one's for the API, one's for the client. Cool. Let's just log out real quick. Show you that it works. All right, here we go. I will use my admin user to show you that I can log in and then make sure that you know it's not ported over like it's a ripoff, like I made it myself. This is an admin user. Oh, well, at least you know password verification works now. Okay, cool. It takes you to a home page first, then it takes you to an admin dashboard. From here, you can log out or go to the cashier page. You can also visit a about page. That's what they use to ping the server. Let's go back to home. And then this is cashier page. This is where you make orders. You click on a drink type. This is for mocha, Americano, latte, cappuccino, espresso, pink to size, milk content. This, and you can place and clear an order. And place actually get order too. So if it's already got, it'll just show it. So I just combined both the buttons in one. All right, cool. What's next? Okay, now I show you the launch command to run the Starbucks mobile app. Okay, cool. My IntelliJ. Let's clear this. This is the launch command to run my Starbucks mobile app. Using your app.jar. I have the DAPI URL. This is for the online hosted API I have running on this IP address. This is the API key you need, same as launch manifest. I'm using this register, which correlates to dubc. Don't know what dubc is. Apparently it's a coffee shop. Yep. All right, cool. Now I start up the app, point out the register, I did that. Picked it back in MySQL database being used. Start up the, okay, started up. Okay, cool. Start it up. All right, app is started up. Nice. All right. Now you want me to connect to my backend MySQL database, query the new Starbucks card created by the mobile app, show the card number, card code, and started bouncing and activated stars. All right, let's do all that. Come back here. Where am I? We can enter my jump box. All right, I'm in jump box. Let me do some updates. Also gonna need my MySQL instances, so let me do that. Yeah, you can see I have two MySQL servers. I try to follow the microservice architecture. It's not perfect, obviously, hence the air quotes. So the API only contains orders and cards, and the client only contains users. So right now we want to see the cards. So orders and cards will be on API. Okay, cool. Just get that URL and come back here. Oh, don't close that. All right, we're here. Now I'm going to do apt install MySQL dash client. All right, terrific. Now I'm going to show you that table, right? Let's do that. SQL minus password minus H password. I'm in. Use Starbucks. Show tables. You can see there's no user table here because that's in a different database. Show Starbucks card. Oh, my bad. Select Starbucks card. All right, you can see the cards here. I've already used one. You can see the status, new card. Okay. Activated status. Okay, cool. I'll also show you the select star from Starbucks order. I'll just show you that too. See, it's empty right now. There's no orders in place. I just cleared everything just now. All right. Card number, card code. All right, cool. Everything's here. Now let's actually start the demo. So you want to see evidence of MySQL instances running on the cloud. Did that right here. They're both running. I'm connected to both. I just SSH'd into one. Yeah, they're both here. All right, dope. Evidence of a load balancer with healthy backends on GCP. Let's do that. Right here. These are my ingresses. They're good. That's not what you want to see though. You want to see the services. Okay, cool. This is the API client service. These pods both running completely healthy, 2 out of 2. I would do 4, but I don't want to get charged more money, man. This is the client also running on 2 pods. 2 out of 2. Perfect. All right. Evidence of a load balancer with healthy backends on GCP. Cool. This criterion is linked to learning. Evidence of a healthy running Starbucks API pods. Show you that. Awesome. Now, the evidence that RabbitMQ is deployed in GKE or GCP and used in project via changes to Spring source code. Okay, let's show you that RabbitMQ is a real thing. Over here, I have my RabbitMQ cluster. This doesn't really mean anything though until I show you that it's real, it's working. Let's do that. Here. Let me enter the RabbitMQ. Obviously, if I'm in it, I should have a queue. Why don't we look at that? Rabbit MCQTL. MQCTL. MQCTL. List queues. Cool. You can see my queue right there, order. All right. What's next? Evidence set to deployed. Okay, I'll show you some more stuff just to be safe. I have my worker here reading in the ingresses, jump box. That's what I'm using, obviously. All right, cool. What's next? Start the demo by accessing an endpoint to a load balancer for the cashier's app. Make sure that the IP matches that in your GKE cluster. Okay, easy way to prove this is just going to here to my ingresses and just launching the website from here. There's no way you can see that I local hosted this or whatever. So just go there. All right, I'm in my app. Let's log out real quick. And then show you that nothing works if I log out. So if I try to do anything from here, just take me to log in. Even if I try to go about, it'll work. That's unprotected. I go to home. It'll tell me to go log in. Nothing works. So I try to go to admin. Here. It's a different tab. Oh, I mean, actually, we can show that. Let's see. This one's open, right? If I refresh, it'll immediately take me to log in. Even if I tried to do anything on there, if I had to press submit or something, it would say error, you need to log in, so it wouldn't register anything. So cool. Those are previously open tabs. All right, now I need to log in. I showed you that it's working. Okay, create a new user account and then log into your cashier's app and then log out. All right, let me create a user. Paul ng@gmail.com. Let's make the password the same thing. Cool. And then sign up. All right, cool. That guy's registered. Let me prove that. So we'll go here. It's not my jump box. This is my jump box. Let me exit out. Then I'm going to do the same thing. MySQL client. No, MySQL minus password -h. Let me just grab this. So it's Science SQL client URL. Okay, use here. Row tables. All right, you can see that the sessions there, attributes, the users. That's what I want to show you. Okay, yeah. This is the admin user. That's you, Paul. You're in. You're not an admin. Sorry. All right, cool. Now that we have you in there, let's log in. Sign in. Okay, I'm here. Now I'm in here. What can I do? Not much, because I'm just a regular user. So I can check the user dashboard. I can see the about page, and I can log out. If I try to access the cashier, simply won't work. I don't have access. Anything actually with the admin role, I don't have access. Cool. Now let me log out for you. Log out. Okay, now I've logged out. What do I do? Create a user account and log into a cache app and log out. Log into a cache app again, then create a new order for a store, register and matching store used by Starbucks mobile app. Okay, if I want to do that, I have to be an admin. Sorry, so I'm gonna have to do my barista account. Okay, I've logged in as an admin, and now I've accessed everything. Okay, now let's make a new order. So the register that we picked was this one. That's a dub C. So let's make a mocha. I like those. Grande. No, to save the environment. My own cup. I like whole milk. Dub C. Let's place the order. Cool. So my current order is this. It tells you all the information, blank, whatever. That's the register. Cafe mocha, whole milk, ready for payment. My own cup, and that's the total that I am going to be charged, I suppose. And now if I were to place that again, it's going to say something else. Yep, it's going to say the register is already full. You have to delete order to process this. And then this is the current order that's in the register. So I just click OK. Then create a new order for Specific Store. Okay, let's query the database to show the order is there. Exit out of this. See, it saves. Different. Indeed, cool. Select. From. Man, I forgot table name. Show tables. Okay, it's Starbucks order. Select. Order. Okay, you can see my order is there. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Now what? In the Starbucks mobile app, pay for the order and point out the remaining card balance after the purchase. Okay. All right, now I gotta log in. So okay, I think I'm logged in. It's my balance. Cool. Actually, now that I can show you something real quick, I can show you the card is there. The reason why I did. Boom. Okay, it's 3. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh man, I'm in the wrong one. Yeah, it's the same card, $20. All right. Now I can pay for this order with this card. There. Cool. And then I do two. That means I paid for it. Now we're going to show the steps. Okay. And finally, refresh the order page. Okay, cool. Let's do that. Here, and I just press place order. Say it's paid with this card. Awesome. Now, what I can do is clear the order from and place a new order for the payment, and then repeat the payment steps with the Starbucks mobile app. Okay. 1 second. Okay, let's do that. Let's repeat those steps. Let me clear this order. Like it's already empty, so we can't delete it again. All right, let's make a new order. This time, let's make a. Let me show you what happens when I make something invalid. My own cup, almond soy milk, place order. Order is not valid. Yep, can't do that. I think you can only do like a tall or something. All right, cool. I have an espresso at Dub C again. Now, if I do touch 3-3, there's my bounce. If I do touch 2-2, or touch. Cool. I can scan this order. Let's do that. Now, if I see place order, cool. Status, it's being paid because there's only $2. All right, awesome. And now I show the status of the order once again. So let's do that. Starbucks order. Paid with card, that's the balance. Okay, so now you see the status of the order. It's getting paid with the card. You see the balance. Okay. Now, yeah, repeat the statement process, show the status of the order and the card balance, showed that. Okay. Now I did want me to query Rabbit MQ. Let's see that. Hopefully hasn't processed yet. All right, cool. You can see that this current message hasn't processed yet because I set a timer on the worker. So there's currently one order in the queue. Cool. Now I should show you the pod logs to show that it's getting processed in the worker. All right, let's see that. I go to workloads. Logs. Okay, this is at 156. Processed value in the queue. It's 157. Yep, that just happened. Okay. Now let's use curl to check the status of the drink. I go to get status. That's that's the right register. Order has been complete. Cool. Once order's been filled, clear the mics to show the final status of the paid and fulfilled orders. Let's do that. But the final stat. Order's been complete. And that is my demo. Thank you very much. I do not know how to stop this recording.